At the DSD App Day in Vegas, we're gonna build the foundation for the new chapter in Smile Designs. It's the biggest DSD App Day ever. We have 150 people, and we're gonna have an amazing program. We're gonna start with an overview about the vision of the DSD app. Afterwards, we're gonna have amazing lectures by Dr. Carla Soto and by Dr. Sheena Sood. Afterwards, we're gonna learn how to design smiles based on facial flow. So we're gonna analyze the faces, we're gonna design smiles considering the facial flow, and it's gonna be a complete new level of smile design and smile planning. Afterwards, we're gonna create beautiful presentations of the case, and I hope we start a complete new chapter in the area of designing smiles based on new concepts.
I thought, this is it. The iTero, the DSD, the planning part of it, it's going to be phenomenal.
It was wonderful. It was fantastic. The DSD App Day was more than I ever expected. I've attended other events, and this actually helped us really understand how to use the app. It's something that we've been looking forward to, and the expertise of all the instructors is just mind-blowing. So it's just super exciting. Can't wait to get home and use it.
Well, I'm not a millennial, so the whole computer technology thing totally blew my mind, but it was just amazing to see what can be done and how simple.